Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a border around table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to put border around table in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Table option and insert a table. Then click the table and make big, then select whole cell of this table, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the table design menu and click the pen white, select 4pt, then click pen color, select black, then click the borders drop down menu and choose outside borders, then click outside of the table. Now we can see we put it a border around table in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.